Mutual funds. The very concept of mutual funds was an alien concept to Indian investors a few decades ago. But today, the situation is quite different. With the steady rise in the number of mutual fund investors in India, the concept has become very popular among individual investors with the kind of benefits it provides, like you can invest with any amount. It can be as low as 500. Then you have diversity across multiple stocks. Also, you can invest without you having a demat account. Picking up the right mutual fund to meet your goals is extremely important, and so it is imperative for you to make a wise decision. So, are you a beginner when it comes to investing? Are you looking to invest into mutual funds? Or are you wondering where to begin with mutual funds? Then here's everything that you need to know. Hi, I'm Namita. Welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. Let's get started. So, what is mutual fund? Mutual fund is an investment product that is made up of a pool of money collected from investors to invest in securities like stocks, bonds, money market instruments, and other such assets. So let's look at types of funds. One way to understand how to pick a good mutual fund is to know the time horizon that you are willing to invest. So let me tell you, there are two criteria that will help you to decide a good mutual fund. One is the time horizon and the other is the risk that you're willing to take. So now let's look at some of the types of funds that is available to you as a beginner. So first is funds for investment up to 1 year. So if you're looking to invest say from 1 week to 1 year, then you can go for debt schemes, under which you have other criteria that you can choose. Overnight funds, for which your horizon period will be for 1 week. Then you have liquid funds, for which you will invest from 1 week to say 1 month. Then we have ultra short duration, which is you can invest from 1 month to say 3 months. Low duration funds, for which you can invest from time frame say 3 months to 6 months. And lastly, we have money market funds, for which during which you can invest say your time frame will be 6 months to say 1 year. Number 2, funds for 1 to 2 years investment horizons. Even for this investment, you can stick to debt schemes. Short-term debt funds can be a good category. These funds lend to mostly good companies for up to 1 year to 3 years. They tend to give you much better returns than bank fixed deposits if you complete 3 years, because in that you will have to pay less taxes on the interest that you have earned than say what you will pay for the interest that you got from bank fixed deposits. Third is funds for 2 to 3 years investment horizon. From debt funds, you can go for banking and PSU debt funds. These funds lend only to banks and public sector companies. These companies have good credit ratings and the risk is also controlled. Next, if you are looking at hybrid scheme category that suits the 2 and 3 year horizon period, then you should go for equity savings fund. These fund puts your money in 30 to 35% in stocks, 30 to 35% in equity securities that offers arbitrage opportunities, and the rest will be invested in debts. Fourth is funds for 3 and 4 years investment horizon. If you're ready to lock in your money for 3 years, then you should go for ELSS funds. These funds have an added advantage in helping you save up to Rs 46,800 every year. Plus, it also has a growth potential of equities. Under this, you also have something called the dynamic asset allocation funds. These funds basically they buy stocks at lower price and they automatically sell at when the prices are high. Next is funds for 4 to 5 years investment duration. Under this, we have aggressive hybrid equity funds. If you want risk control, then you should go for aggressive hybrid equity funds. They invest 65 to 80% of your money in equity and the rest 20 to 35% of your money in debt. This is the ideal category for large term investment. Another category for 4 to 5 year horizon is the large cap equity mutual funds. They invest in top 100 companies like HDFC banks, SBI, you have Hindustan Unilever or Reliance Industries, etc. They provide relatively good returns and they are less volatile when compared to other equity funds. Then we have multi-cap funds. This is the aggressive cousin of large cap mutual funds. They follow diversified portfolio strategy that gives your money exposure to so many companies of all size and all sector. Next, we have funds for 5 to 7 years investment duration, under which we have large and mid cap, which means here funds are invested in combination of India's biggest and fastest growing mid-sized companies, which will also give you growth and stability. Next, we also have mid-cap funds, which means investing in mid-sized companies in India. Lastly, we have funds for 7 years and plus investment duration. So these are some of the mutual fund options that you can try as a beginner. So if you want to learn or know more about mutual funds, fixed deposit, career building courses, finance, business, agriculture related courses and many others, then download the Financial Freedom app right now. If you like this video, then do hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Be wise and get rich.